One digital tool to consider as you start the new school year is Pinterest. It's a great way to crowdsource information or to share via a hashtag or links or school newsletter. So, one of the ideas that I'm exploring here is creating boards that share 10 things about something. Could be a get to know you activity that you use as the beginning of the year where students make a board that's 10 things about themselves. Could also be a way to explore content. So 10 things about cells or 10 things about William Shakespeare. And those boards could be created collaboratively or individually. So here I've started a board that's just 10 things about me. And you can see I've put a couple of my interests here. I have Bob Dylan. One of my favorite concert experiences was seeing him third row at the Uptown Theater in Kansas City. I've got the camera. One of the things I'm hoping to explore this year is learning how to really take some awesome pictures, and so I'm going to invest in a nicer camera and really dig into learning about that. So, if you want to create a board like this, all you do is go to your account, and the first thing that you're going to need to do is say that you want to create a board. So, you're going to hit the little plus icon and say create a board, and then you're going to name it. So 10 things about William Shakespeare, and add a description and then create your board. I'm not going to do that now because I've already done it. Then as you want to add images, you're going to go over here and search. So I am going to search for English teacher because that is, and I'm going to switch over to pins here because I'm on boards. So I might want people to know that something about me is that I used to teach English. So I'm going to choose this one. So I'm just going to say pin it, and I'm going to select my board here. I want it to go on my 10 things about board. I'm going to change this to my description. So I taught English in 7th through 12th grade. And I'm just going to pin it to my board. And the really great thing I love about this is that when I want to share the board, so if all your students create these and then they want to share their board, you can send a board. So I can send this board or share it via a social platform. I can also copy the embed code and add it to a link. So if your students have their own blog or something like that, that would work. You can also just copy the URL, and I know you can't see this in my screen recording, but you can just copy the URL and open another browser and it will pop up. So students can just share the link. So this is where I think it'd be really awesome to, if you have a hashtag for your classroom, have students share their link via the hashtag, and then they can learn all about each other. So rather it being a get to know you that just is submitted just to the teacher, you have this awesome collection of information all about your students or about a content.